Okay, so this is a testimonial. Yeah, my name is Christopher Conde. This is Haley, my girlfriend. I'm a wholesaler, real estate investor, and I've been using REI Reply, Real Estate Investing Reply. REIReply.com had an ad that came up on YouTube one day, and it was kind of like, didn't want to believe it was a real thing. The pricing sounded great, but they didn't say anything about pricing. But give it a chance. There's only $50 a month. I think the price is going up pretty soon, but $50 a month, I was like, if I lose some money, it's okay. It's only $50. Beforehand, I was using Call Tools. I was also using Smarter Contacts. Call Tools, I was spending about $100 a month on the service alone, and then that was per user. I had 7 employees in total, and also literally paid per number as well. My average bill was $222, and then $100 per person. Almost $1,000 a month on Call Tools. And Smarter Contacts the same. It's only $150 per user, one user. So total marketing budget was pretty much $2,000, because Smarter Contacts was like it was 2 cents per text, 2.5 cents per text. Anyways, point being is, REI Reply is cheap, which doesn't always matter to me, but it's cheap. But you know what does matter? I had 7 employees that I trained for 2 months to actually first get their deals rolling in. They got 9 deals in 2 months. It's 7 employees though. It's 7 employees to get 9 deals. By myself beforehand, I was doing about 4 to 5 deals a month myself. REI Reply, the second day, I think, it was within the first week, but I think it was the second day, I got someone who said they wanted to sell. 3 days later, after contacting them a few times and talking to them about different options, I got a contract in, and now it's already in assignment. First week, not with anyone else's use, not with any other employees, just me, which is super dope. And now I have about 6 to 7 other prospects. I've only had this software for 2 weeks. And when I say prospects to me are people who want to sell right now, have a number, they accepted the offer. All they're doing is confirming this with a few other people to make sure. I don't know if this is a good testimonial or not. I've never done a testimonial before, but I will say this. I don't like any other system compared to Smarter Contacts. I use Podio, or compared to REI Reply, excuse me. I use Podio, Smarter Contacts, and Call Tools all together at the same time, and it literally was expensive and also harder to keep track of. This, it's almost pretty much built for you. For everything besides the personal touch when you talk to a seller, it's built for you. You can't go wrong. And it also has touches that will touch someone 5 months out, 7 times, to let them know, hey, you still want to sell? Hey, we talked before. What's going on? How you doing? It's honestly the greatest real estate investing tool I've ever seen. And I've been in the game for about 2 years now. Not too long, but long enough to know that this is pretty dope. If you're gonna decide to buy based on this testimonial, it's a yes. Absolute yes. Anyways, thank you everyone at REI Reply. Hit me up for skip tracing if you need it. Super cheap, 5 cents. Anyways, thank you very much. You want to say anything?
That's all.